This is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm gonna just get in quick here, see if we can do almost a mummy type creature coming out of in the ground. Just give a weird vibe here. So just gonna be real quick. Just coming in, getting a really quick shape here with the pastel just to outline it. Okay, very loose. All right, and then from here, just gonna get right in with the charcoal, see what we could do. Try to bring this thing to life. Um, just gonna do really loose cuts. See what we can get here. Keep that open for now, just a very loose outline. Pick that up. This side here, come down with the arm. And again, this is just going to be rough right now as we start, and then I'll get in and start adding some more details to this character. Just going to really kind of loose torso. Okay, so just really getting a very loose shape from this point. Now we can kind of get in, see how we can shape this out. So definitely going for a weird look here into the mouth. And this is just going to be just real quick, just having see where the drawing takes us. Could always go back in, add some color. Get some shading coming off the back there. It was kind of a rib cage vibe, but then we'll come back in, add some more detail from this point. Okay, so very creepy looking character. Okay. So now that we pretty much have the body here, very loose, see if I can get in with the light. Start adding maybe like some almost a wrap effect. See, coming off the side. All right, so just got some color in there. I'm just gonna come back in the charcoal, darken some of those areas up again. Okay, so definitely this weird looking character. Start adding some lines off this thing. See if we can get it looking pretty cool. Okay. Somewhat of an eye on that side. Side will leave blank. It'll be weird. It's a weird vibe. All right, and then from here, just see if we can take another step. Give it some kind of glowing vibe in here in this section. Some kind of dimension coming off the top here a little bit. Okay. Weird looking. All right. Well, yeah, I think that was just going to be real quick today. This mummy character. Kind of coming out of the ground, or wherever. All right. Well, this is main art. Thank you so much. I invite you to subscribe if you like these types of charcoal, pastel, horror theme type drawings. Thank you so much. Take care.